welcome back at the World Chocolate Masters organized by Cacao Barry here live at the Salon du Chocolat in Paris. It was a thrilling and exciting first day for our contestants, but I think also for us and our jury members. For this first day, they had two assignments, and that was a chocolate travel cake and a great showpiece. We had delicious new pairings, we had fantastic sculptures, and I think for the moment it's time to have a look at what our contestants have been realizing this afternoon. Great images, isn't it? And very important for you, ladies and gentlemen, at home to know that you can vote for your favorite showpiece from 9 p.m. later on tonight. You have any favorites, or how was your day? Let's call it. I'm having any favorites.
I couldn't possibly tell you my favorite. There would be trouble. No, but there are some beautiful showpieces out there, and I think we've got a really good competition on our hands when you see the showpieces.
Mark?
Do you know, they defied gravity, they defied science. It's unbelievable what they created. They created delicious, as well, travel cakes. The sculptures are extraordinary, the craft is amazing. It's inspiring.
It was an afternoon full of ingredients, let's call it like that, but ladies and gentlemen, we still have 3 showpieces on the move. So let's have a look at how they arrived at the other side of the booth. And this means it really was a good day. And now that our 20 sculptures have reached their circle, it's up to you, ladies and gentlemen. Within 1 hour, you can vote for your favorite showpiece and give he or her the public award for Showpiece edition 2018. In French, they say, en chocolat, on ne compte pas. Even although we don't count in chocolate, it is important to mention that within half an hour, we will have the first individual results of today, results being a part of the total scoreboard. So what do you think, Julie and Mark?
Everything's to play for here. These candidates have worked every single ounce that they have. We don't know what the jury are going to vote and what they're going to give them. But what we do know is that it's going to be thrilling, it's going to be gripping, and it's going to motivate the other 17 or however to really go for it tomorrow.
Yeah, will they be motivated or will it be demotivation?
I think that the scores from today, you know, if they were in the bottom, they can still pull it back. They've still got more assignments tomorrow. And with the assignments tomorrow, we could see the scoreboard really changing. So, you know, don't leave anything today thinking, oh my God, you know, I'm at the bottom, I can't get any further, they can. They absolutely can. They can come in tomorrow, do their best, and they could still be at the top of the leaderboard.
And tomorrow, Julie and Mark, you will be our eyes and ears again. I'm really looking forward to see you then, but it's not that far because, first of all, ladies and gentlemen, at 20:30, at 8:30 p.m., we are having the first results of the first day of this great competition, the World Chocolate Masters Final 2018. So stay tuned, stay sharp, and we see each other at 8:30.
Bonjour.
Mi chiamo Andrea Incertivezzani.
Mon nom est Olivier Bajard.
Julien Cheveau.
Goujon.
Sono originario di Reggio Emilia.
For 100 years, KitchenAid has been inspired by makers. The explorers, the creators. You're the reason we innovate and create possibility. So keep making, and we'll keep making history together.